back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a little eyeshadow tutorial using the Magic Mini by Juvias Place eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited to try this. I actually haven't played around with this too much. I've played around with it a little, just not a whole heap, and I'm so keen to give it a proper go and share it with you guys. This is what it looks like in the, what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know what look we're going for today, but I've got the rest of my face on, so we are ready to rock and roll. And yeah, I just thought I'd sit down and film me doing this. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna jump into Kezi. I'm really sorry if I butcher any of these names. So yeah, it's just a nice natural kind of looking one. And right. I might go into Nana, which is just a really nice brown. Just gonna chuck that just above my crease, well, in my crease and just above it. Now, I've heard amazing things about Juvias Place eyeshadows. I've heard that they're super pigmented and they're easy to blend, and what I've heard is basically that they're the best palettes to get if you want to play with colour. Their formula is to die for. So I'm really excited to actually give this a proper go. So yeah, and I'm only just taking the slightest bit on my brush because, yeah, obviously hearing that they're super pigmented, I don't want to go in and then have a few issues there. So just making sure that's all blended. Okay. Oh, where do we want to go next? So there's not many, the only thing with this palette is there isn't very many mattes. So your mattes you've got are Kezi, Zakaya, Nana, and Kogi. And I think I've down here, and Ujide is also a matte. So not super heaps of mattes in this palette to create a look with, but I'm keen to see what we can do with it. I think I might jump into Zakaya, which is that burnt terracotta colour, and go in to the crease. Wow. This just keeps carrying that colour. Okay. There's a little bit of kickback in the pan, but I'm not having any fallout on my face, which is a good thing considering I've done my base first. These blend so nice. I think that looks really great. I kind of want to dip in, I really want to use that blue, that green Buzo all over my lid. So I'm nearly thinking of going into IVE and seeing if we can do a blue-green. Right. I think I might take this little brush. I'm going to go into IVE. Feel like it's gonna be very pigmented. Okay, not as bam as I was expecting, so that's good. Alright, that's a really nice colour. And it works really well with the orangey, like that Zakaya colour. It's really, really nice. So we're just going to do the same on the other eye. Okay, that's a bit, I kind of love it. Okay, we're going to go into Buzo. I don't know if it's called Buzo, but it sounds cool. I'm going to go in with my finger. Look at that. And we're going to put that on the lid. Ooh, wow. Okay, so that is really nice. It has a very like thick feel to it, especially when you're putting it on with the finger. It just feels like a very thick, I don't know, it's kind of like it's wet, like to actually get it on my eye, I feel like I actually have to really like swipe it on there, considering, yeah, I don't know. Whew. I really, really love that. Whew. All right, and I have 2 green fingers. Now, what to do for the bottom lash line? Like, I don't know. Alright, I think hoping that the footage is okay today as well. I am filming at a really strange hour, so I am sorry if that is the case. But anyway, that's okay. Alright, what do you reckon? I nearly want to try Nubia. I want to try that on the lower lash line. See how that works. I don't know. We'll see what I can do. I think I'm going to take a really small little brush and dip in. This one also feels really thick on the brush. And this is really pigmented. Whoa. Wow, okay. I was not expecting for it to look like this so far. Like, loving it. I don't know why wow. That's intense. I love it so much. Like, whew. Alright, I am going to jump off camera. I'm going to put some mascara on and I'll be back and we will do a couple of swatches of the palette as well. Alright, be back in a sec. Okay, so I have chucked my mascara on and I have to say I'm kind of living for this look. This look is insane. This palette is crazy. That gold, I did not expect that gold to be like that. So I thought let's do a couple of little swatches. We will do Osan, Zuba, and Baronu. These are the 3. These are 3 shimmers. Mind my swatches. My swatches are not good. That, Osan, whoa. These are insane. So I just like rub my finger in there a little bit just so there's pigment on my fingers basically. Let's do Faso, Via, and Yamoja. So Faso. Oh, it's like a blue purple shift. I don't know if that'll pick up on camera. And then a Via. It's like a blue grey. And then Yamoja. It's a really light blue. It's like a sky blue colour. It's really pretty. Okay, and then let's do Yara and Buzo, which is obviously on my eyes, but oh. Like, these shimmers are insane, are absolutely insane. I am very, very impressed with these. Let's do a couple of the mattes. So Zakaya, Koji, and let's do Yajide. So, like, oh, absolutely beautiful. So that's Zakaya. This one here is Koji. It's not as easy to swatch as Zakaya. And then Yajide is a matte blue. I am not mad at all. I also picked up, wow, pigmented. I also picked up the Nubian 2 palette, which is obviously, like, they have massive pans. So it'd be cool to give that one a go as well. But I just thought this one spoke to me. Just the colours are just intense, and I just thought I have to give that a go, and I need to find out whether it's as good as everyone says it is. So yeah, I've picked this up and I love it. I really, really do, and I love how this look turned out. This is so different, so beautiful. I would happily wear this anywhere. Like, it's different, but I just think it's so stunning. So this palette is 100% a thumbs up, and honestly, it's pretty affordable. It's a little bit more expensive here in Australia to get these palettes, but if you wait till a sale, they usually have some ridiculous sales on. That's when I picked these ones up, because I wanted it to be semi-affordable for us here in Aussie. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed this look that we have created. I live for it. Oh my god. Anyway, I hope to see you all in my next video. Please give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you've all had an amazing day. I'll see you next time. Bye.